In this video, I'm going to show you installing Windows 11 ARM64 on any Mac with Apple Silicon using VMware Fusion for free. It is a popular virtualization software that allows running Windows 11 on a virtual machine at near native speeds. So without further ado, let's get into installing Windows 11 on any Mac with Apple Silicon. Alright, first things first, this guide will work on any Mac with Apple Silicon. For demonstrating this video, I used MacBook Air with an M1 chip. As you can see, it's running the latest version of macOS Monterey. To install Windows 11 on M1 or any Mac with Apple Silicon, you need to reserve a free space of at least 60 GB or higher. Then head over to these links using a web browser. The first link in the description takes you to this page. Go ahead and enroll yourself in the Windows Insider program using your free Microsoft account. Once you have signed in, it should take you to this page and download Windows 11 ARM64. Keep in mind that Microsoft doesn't support installing Windows 11 on Apple Silicon, but still it's possible to run an evaluation copy of Windows 11. Then head over to the second link, which will take you to the VMware website. By the time of recording this video, VMware Fusion Public Tech Review is available for free and can be used for personal use. Go ahead, click on the VMware Fusion 22H2 and click on Download. This will ask you to create a user account. Go ahead and create for free. Once it's done downloading, place them somewhere on your Mac for easier navigation. As you can see, we have Windows 11 virtual hard disk image. We need to convert this image and make it compatible with VMware by converting it into a VMDK. To do so, head over to the Homebrew website, copy this line of script, and paste it inside a terminal to start setting up Homebrew on your Mac. Once it's done, you need to execute these two lines. Just copy and paste one after the other to set an environment path variable of Homebrew. Now this way, it's very easy for the terminal to find the brew command. Now type brew, and if you see any information of the command, then Homebrew has been successfully installed on your Mac. Then type brew install QEMU and install this package. Then type QEMU-img convert-o VMDK, then drag the Windows 11 disk file over here. Then type ~desktop. Then I'm going to save the new VMDK file inside the install folder and make sure to name the output file with .vmdk extension. As you can see, it starts converting to VMDK and will take around 45 seconds. That's it. Now we have done creating a VMware compatible disk file. Now open VMware Fusion, then double click on the installer to install VMware Fusion. Then go ahead and set the permission for VMware to access the accessibility features of macOS. Then click on Create a new virtual machine, choose Microsoft Windows, then select Windows 11 ARM64 Edition and click on Continue. Now choose UEFI and unselect the Secure Boot. VMware Fusion supports a virtual TPM and you must encrypt the virtual machine. Go ahead and set a password to encrypt the virtual machine. Then choose to use an existing virtual disk. Choose a virtual disk and look for the Windows 11 VMDK. Make sure to use this option to make a separate copy of Windows 11 VMDK. Then click on Continue. Now choose to customize settings and name the virtual machine. This is where the virtual machine is stored. Then click on Save. You can tinker with the virtual machine settings. I'm going to set the CPU cores to 4 and leave the rest of the settings to default. Then allow the VMware Fusion to record the computer screen. Once everything is set, run the virtual machine. Keep in mind, when you tap inside a virtual machine, the cursor will be bounded to the guest OS. To release, press Ctrl plus Command to get the control of the cursor back to the host OS. Go ahead, choose your country and keyboard layout. Now you can see that the virtual machine has an issue with an internet connection. To fix this, on your Mac, hold Function plus Shift and press F10. This will open a Windows 11 command prompt. Inside here, type this command and press the Enter key to bypass this issue. After executing this command, the virtual machine will restart. This time you can see a new option to bypass the internet connection. Now click on I don't have internet, agree to the terms and conditions, then create a user account and finish setting up Windows 11. Voila, now you can see Windows 11 has successfully installed inside a virtual machine. Now as you can see, Windows 11 runs super fast. Compared to Intel-based virtual machines, Apple Silicon chips are way faster and better in terms of virtualization. Now open the search bar, type PowerShell, and choose to run it as administrator. Inside here, type set-execution policy space remote signed and press the Enter key. Make sure you type exactly what you see here, which is case sensitive. This allows for the execution of the VMware tools. Once it's done, using the VMware menu bar, choose a virtual machine and select Reinstall VMware Tools. Now you can see it has mounted successfully. Go ahead, open the D drive and look for the PowerShell script. Just right click and choose to run with PowerShell. This will fix all the issues in regards to graphics, sound, and the internet. Once it's installed, reboot the virtual machine. Now head over to Settings, choose a system and change the display resolution to the native. And scale up the display by 200%. Now you can see Windows 11 uses the full screen resolution of Mac. When you compare VMware with Parallels, I believe both are much faster and help running Windows 11 games on Apple Silicon very easily. And that's pretty much it. This is how you properly install Windows 11 on any Mac with Apple Silicon using a free edition of VMware Fusion. Let me know what do you think about it in the comments section down below. If in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and consider hitting the bell button to see a versatile tech content. Thanks for watching. This has been KSK Ryle. I will see you at the next one.